show, first class, very professional. The ambiance was amazing. The food was superb. The service was great. And I'm telling you, you all need to come down and see this show. It's just absolutely superb. The time went by so fast, I can't believe it's done.
Came in not knowing what to expect and had a great time. I love the mix of the older music mixed with all the different new music and everything, and the dancing was amazing. It was just such a good time. Definitely have to see it. It was really fun.
Just engaging the audience was absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend. Can't wait to come back.
Man, it's really amazing. It's really cool. If you're thinking about coming out, you really should. You've got to see it to experience it.
It was wonderful. It was entertaining, and it's the best thing you could do.
Super fun, great food, and unbelievable entertainment. Definitely come check it out.